Last Friday, QUBT rallied nearly 5%, along with the entire AI and semiconductor sector. But here's the question no one's asking. Is this the start of a recovery, or just a dead cat bounce in a downtrend? I'm looking at the chart, the fundamentals, and the macro picture, and I'll tell you exactly what I'm watching this week. Let's go. Friday's move wasn't about QUBT, it was about cooling inflation data. June CPI came in softer than expected, Treasury yields dropped, and money flowed back into growth stocks. QUBT rode that wave, closing up 4.9% to 8.0. But here's the kicker. Volume was above average, 10.5 million shares, which suggests institutional interest, but the stock is still trading 70% below its 52-week high of $25.84. So is this a turnaround? Not yet. Here's the bear case. QUBT is trading well below its 20-day 992 moving averages. That's a technical red flag. Until it breaks above those levels, the trend is still down. And the S8 filing from Tuesday, 13.5 million new shares registered for employee compensation. That's not an immediate dilution event, but it signals more shares in the float down the road, which puts pressure on the price. Plus, the law firm investigation notice, even if it's standard, adds uncertainty. Retail traders hate that. Now the bull case. The enhanced acquisition is a game changer. It accelerates their Fab 2 commercial launch years ahead of schedule. Lake Street reiterated a buy with a $16 target. Rosenblatt raised revenue estimates, projecting $35 by 2027. And the government is doubling down. NSA and Army launched Quantum Eagle to strengthen the domestic supply chain. That's a massive tailwind for QUBT and peers like Rigetti. But here's the catch. QUBT is trading at a PS ratio of 65x, while the industry median is 4.7x. That's a huge premium. You're paying for potential, not profits. So what am I watching this week? 3 things. 1. Macro. Any Fed speeches or inflation data that shift rate expectations. Quantum stocks are rate sensitive, higher rates, drives lower valuations. 2. Volume and price action. If QUBT breaks above $8.50 with strong volume, that's a bullish signal. If it falls below $7.50, the next support is $6.18, the 52-week low. 3. Any news on government contracts or commercial deals. That's the catalyst that could change the narrative overnight. Bottom line, QUBT is a high-risk, high-reward play. The long-term thesis is solid, but the short-term volatility is brutal. Trade accordingly. If this breakdown helped, drop a like and subscribe. I post weekly updates on quantum stocks and market trends. And comment below, are you buying QUBT at these levels or waiting for a better entry? Let's talk. See you in the next one. Peace. I am not a financial advisor.